When Samsung builds an Ultra tablet, it rarely plays it safe. The current Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is already one of the largest and most powerful Android tablets on the market. But the rumored Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be more than a simple refresh. This is real versus rumor, proven hardware versus leaked ambition. Let's break it down section by section. The Tab S11 Ultra features a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels. It supports HDR10+ and pushes impressive brightness levels for indoor and outdoor visibility. The experience is smooth, sharp, and already premium. The rumored Tab S12 Ultra is expected to retain the same 14.6-inch size, but upgrade to a 3K AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and possibly improved anti-reflective coating. Some leaks even suggest tandem OLED enhancements for better efficiency and brightness control. On paper, higher resolution and anti-reflective improvements sound meaningful, but until confirmed, they remain speculative. The S11 Ultra delivers proven flagship visuals today. So, Tab S11 Ultra takes this section for being real and validated. The Tab S11 Ultra runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9400+, built on an advanced process node, paired with up to 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage. This chipset is already flagship class, capable of handling multitasking, gaming, 4K video editing, and heavy productivity workloads without struggle. The rumored Tab S12 Ultra could arrive with either the Exynos 2600, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 variant, or even the same Dimensity 9400+, depending on region. If the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 version becomes reality, we are looking at a potential leap in CPU and GPU efficiency. However, because the processor is not finalized and varies by region and leaks, uncertainty remains. Based on potential raw power, the S12 Ultra has the higher ceiling. So the winner is the Tab S12 Ultra for projected next-gen performance advantage. The Tab S11 Ultra tops out at 16 GB RAM and 1 TB internal storage with micro SD expansion support. That is already laptop-grade flexibility. The rumored S12 Ultra, however, is expected to start at 16 GB and go up to 24 GB RAM with up to 2 TB of internal storage. If that configuration becomes official, it would surpass most Android tablets and even challenge many Ultrabooks. For creators working with massive design files or video projects, 24 GB RAM on a tablet would be transformative. Even though this is still a rumor, the specification gap is significant. For a higher theoretical memory and storage ceiling, Tab S12 Ultra extends the leads. The Tab S11 Ultra packs an 11,600 mAh battery with 45 watts fast-wired charging. Endurance is strong and reliable. The rumored Tab S12 Ultra is expected to increase capacity to around 12,500 mAh and upgrade charging to 65 watts. That combination would mean longer screen-on time and noticeably faster top-ups. If 65 watts charging becomes official, it changes daily usability, especially for professionals who rely on quick turnaround. A bigger battery plus faster charging equals a clear advantage to the successor. The Tab S11 Ultra features a dual rear camera system with 13 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensors, plus a 12 megapixel front camera capable of 4K recording at 30 frames per second. For a tablet, this setup is practical for video calls and occasional photography. The S12 Ultra rumors suggest a similar 13+8 megapixel rear configuration and a 12 megapixel front camera, potentially carried over. Since there is no confirmed improvement in sensor hardware, the S11 Ultra remains equally capable. So, tie in hardware, but Tab S11 Ultra wins for confirmed performance. The Tab S11 Ultra maintains a slim, premium chassis with minimal bezels and a magnetic rear strip for S Pen attachment. It balances size and usability surprisingly well for its footprint. The S12 Ultra leaks suggest slightly more rounded corners for better grip and a completely flat back with no camera bump. While subtle, ergonomics matter in a device this large. If Samsung refines grip comfort and eliminates protrusions, daily handling improves. Here, the Tab S12 Ultra wins as anticipated for ergonomic refinement. The Tab S11 Ultra offers Wi-Fi variants and optional 5G models, USB-C connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4, and microSD support. The S12 Ultra is expected to continue offering 5G-enabled variants and modern wireless standards. There is no clear indication of revolutionary connectivity changes beyond standard generational updates. Since S11 Ultra already delivers full flagship connectivity, the advantage remains with the proven device. So the winner is Tab S11 Ultra. The Tab S11 Ultra runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8, offering multitasking features like DeX mode, split screen, floating windows, and S Pen optimization. The rumored S12 Ultra is expected to integrate more advanced AI tools, including Gemini Live, AI writing assistance, text-to-image generation, and object eraser enhancements. Some leaks even hint at a dedicated AI key on the keyboard accessory. If Samsung pushes deeper AI system-level integration, productivity workflows could become significantly smarter and faster. Because AI is rapidly evolving and likely to expand by late 2026, the S12 Ultra has a strategic advantage. The Tab S11 Ultra already supports S Pen with low latency and an optional keyboard cover with trackpad. The S12 Ultra is expected to continue S Pen support and possibly introduce better storage integration within the keyboard cover. Since functionality remains consistent but potentially more refined, the newer model edges ahead. Thank you for tuning in. Based on projected hardware expansion and generational upgrades, provided the leaks materialize as expected, the ultimate winner is the Tab S12 Ultra. If you need certainty today, the Tab S11 Ultra remains an elite option. But if Samsung delivers even 80% of the S12 Ultra rumors, it won't just be an upgrade, it will be a statement. Should you buy now or wait for the successor? Is the rumored upgrade actually worth it? Which rumors do you think matter most? Drop your thoughts below.